The phrase "if the shoe fits, wear it" is an idiomatic expression used to suggest that if a particular description, criticism, or accusation applies to someone, they should accept it and acknowledge its validity. It implies that if a statement or judgment accurately describes someone's behavior, characteristics, or actions, they should take it to heart and accept the consequences or implications that come with it. The origin of this phrase can be traced back to the notion of wearing shoes that fit properly. When a shoe fits well, it provides comfort and support, enabling the person wearing it to move and function effectively. Similarly, when someone is told "if the shoe fits, wear it," they are being urged to accept and embody a description or assessment that aligns with their true nature or behavior. When someone uses the expression "if the shoe fits, wear it," they are essentially inviting the individual to reflect on whether a statement, criticism, or judgment accurately applies to them. It serves as a gentle reminder to honestly assess their actions, traits, or attitudes, and consider if the given description rings true. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from personal relationships to professional settings. It is often employed when someone is confronted with a comment or criticism that challenges their self-perception or contradicts the image they project. By using this expression, individuals are encouraging self-reflection, accountability, and self-awareness. It invites individuals to be honest with themselves and accept responsibility for their actions or behaviors, rather than deflecting or denying the validity of the statement. "If the shoe fits, wear it" also emphasizes the importance of self-improvement and growth. It suggests that by acknowledging and embracing the accuracy of a description or criticism, individuals have an opportunity to learn, evolve, and make positive changes in their lives. It is worth noting that while this phrase can prompt introspection, it is essential to exercise discernment and consider the intention and fairness of the statement or judgment. It is crucial to differentiate between constructive feedback that can spur personal growth and unwarranted criticism or stereotypes that may be inaccurate or unjust. In summary, the phrase "if the shoe fits, wear it" implies that if a statement, criticism, or judgment accurately applies to someone, they should accept it and acknowledge its validity. It encourages self-reflection, accountability, and personal growth. By using this expression, individuals invite honest introspection and the opportunity to make positive changes in response to valid assessments or critiques.